Hello guys, this is ICT Dinesh. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And how was your August month? For me, it's average month only, but I like August because in this month only, I learned a lot of things. The market taught me that the risk management is more important in trading. Without this, you can't survive here. So this is my live account dashboard. Here you can see that the every losses are just $250 only because I strictly follow the risk management here. And whatever the mistake you make, uh, anything, then for the model or over traded anything, on those days you have to follow the risk management. Because if you took the example August 7th, if I over traded and over leverage on that day, that day itself, all the live accounts will be blowed, right? So that's the power of risk management. From the August 7th to August 28th, I kept my account and still I am having that account because I follow the risk management. Simply. Without that, we can't keep our accounts in market. Okay. So on week one, I made a lot of mistake. As the result, I get $1,000 minus. And week two, I was pre-planned for that week two. I trained my mind to take only if setups aligns. So on that week, I recovered the previous week loss, the $1,000. And week three and week four, also I'm following the same model. And as a result, I get a positive week 250 and 250. I took less entries only on those weeks. So that's enough because I ended up the August in green. Let's see the September month because that also we're going to follow only same things, the risk management and the model. Okay. So in last week, there's a four entries. Monday break even, Tuesday loss, and Wednesday is not a break even trade. I made a mistake that I will explain that. And Thursday I made a profit around $500. So that's how the weekends. So let's see the trade breakdowns one by one. So Monday is the Monday price action. So here the dual is previous day high is my dual because the you can see here the price is expanded. So it's in the retracement leg, right? So in NYAM, what I expected is the price will sweep these lows because we have the key level, which means this H1 FEG. From this FEG, market will reverse. So that's the plan. This is a DOL and the key level, and I'm planning the 9 MPO3 is a open low high close. That's it for the Monday price action. Say here you can see that the market just drops to that key level and sweep the lows, and there is no confirmation here, right? So you have to wait for the confirmation. The only confirmation is this IFVG. Okay, here I entered in this IFVG and put my stop loss in this low. Okay, but I in here I manually closed the entry because you can see here the price is directly comes to this low, but it doesn't took that low. See, near to that low, and I still holding here. But what my mind say here is inner voice, just close the entry when the price come to your entry point. So I close the entry when price come to the entry point, and after that, the price just uh, gone up from this point. See, okay, see, it's hit that 2 hour, but I closed the entry in a break even on that day. So this was the entry in Monday. We'll see Tuesday, okay? So this was a Tuesday price action, but what I planned here is I made mistake in bias because the price is trading here from daily FEG. You can see here the price is trading into the daily FEG. But I what I planned here is I expected the low should sweep again in NYAM, then the market will reverse from this point. And also the price created IFEG here. You can see in 1 hour, but I didn't care about that because I was too confident the price will drop to this low, then we'll get the buy entry. So what I plan here is I just went for the sell setup after the market sweeping the high, and also it not swept that high with the SMT. I entered in this point. I think here I entered the 9 MPO3 open high low close. So that's the plan. But you can see here the price is clearly shifted to bullish. The market is created a IFEG in 1 hour. So the next key level will be this IFEG. Otherwise, any lows, this low or this low, the market will sweep this low and it'll go the higher to this high, right? So that's how the market went. But uh, I look for the sell setup. So that only I get stop out, but I get nearly 1.8 R. Uh, if I move the break even, I will end up with break even, but I hold that trade and get the stop out. Look for in 1 minute. I did after 9:30. We'll see the price action. So I look for that IFEG setup in 1 minute, and also the market gave the IFEG entry in 36. In this time, there's no SMT. So what I plan here is I need many lower time frame SMT here, and also the in 5 minutes there is an OB. In this point, I also waited for the M1 confirmation along with the M5 confirmation. So I waited here. I didn't enter in this IFEG. So I need any SMT in this high so that I can enter. So let's see. So exactly the price took that high, see, and created a SMT. Then I plan entry in this IFEG. Okay. So I waited for this and put my stop loss in this high and target this low, targeting to or the price just drops and I get entry in this candle and it's nearly went up to 1.8, right? It's close to TP, but it reversed and I get stop out. If I move the break even, that day I end up with break even, but I didn't move that. So this is how the Tuesday ends. Let's see the Wednesday price action. Okay, in Wednesday, you can see that the price just opened. This is a daily candle. From opening itself, it's retracing, right? So what I expected in NY, the DO will be this high because the price is retracing, and I need a key level, right? For now, as for now, I just take this dealing range, and I expected this Ruby will act as a key level, and also you can see here the FEG is more important here. If the FEG holds the price means it's a perfect setup for bullish entry. So that I didn't enter in the NQ. If you look ES proper structure because you have the key level and also have the dual this high. So I made mistake in Wednesday execution because I accidentally put uh I plan to enter in MES, but I unfortunately entered in M and Q. I didn't see that in Project X we have to check that is a in M and Q or ES, but I made mistake in execution. So I accidentally put 5 and Q first initially, and I get negative $150. Then I recover that 150 and close that day. So this how the day ends, and and also the price paid according to my plan only. See, it gets support from this key level. Then the market is directly distributing to this high. So it's on 11 a.m. See, so this how the price went as my plan. I made mistake in execution, so that's fine. It's a lesson, right? You have to always be careful once in execution. So check it's a MNQ or a MES. So that's it. So this is how this is the Wednesday price action. We'll see the Thursday price action. So what I plan here in Thursday is my draw on liquidity is this high, and my key level is this FVG. And you can see here the swing low inside the FVG. That will be a more higher liquidity zone. Okay. So after stripping this low, I look for entry. But in 9 a.m., that's the plan. The market will set low and it will target the high. But unfortunately, what happened here is the 9:30 open itself took that high. See, the market directly took that high. So I waited for the 9 a.m. close because I didn't get enter in this retracement or this fall. Most of the guys enter in this sell entry, but I didn't took that because I was so confident with my model. Once I get clear DOL and the key level, I will enter. So that's the plan. So here you can see that market just respected to this FEG and it's closed above this wick, correct? So above this low. So what I plan here is the 10 a.m. will be open, low, high, close. So I plan to enter in the 10 a.m. PO3. Here I drop to 1 minute. I just waited for this 10 a.m. open. Okay, here it's a 10 a.m. open, and here you can see that the market created a CAST, but I waited for some more confirmation because I plan the market will either NQ or ES it will sweep the low so that you will get the SMT. As okay, but I get SMT in this 10 a.m. low with ES. See here, you get the SMT in this low, right? So that's was my another confirmation, and also price creating a OB. So then I entered in this next candle itself and set my stop loss here and target the 2 hour. See, you get okay. So that's how. So I get a 2 hour in this entry. So this how the Thursday ends. So it's nice, right? Because whenever I get clear setups like clear DOL, clear key level, and how to align the PO3, that's it, right? So look for the Friday. Okay, so this is the Friday price action. What I plan here is actually the price in bullish. The price is rejecting the lows and breaking the high, and but it's a Friday, right? But on the day also, I expected the price will go higher. But he has created SMT with the all-time high. What I plan is if the price create IFVG in 1 hour, then you can trade the uh, IFVG and target this high. That's the plan. So I waited for the 9 a.m. close to close above this FVG. Then you can plan the 10 a.m. PO3. But unfortunately, the 9 a.m. drops and I close the day. So this how the weekends. So hopefully my explanations will be helpful for you guys. Okay, make sure you subscribe my channel. And also I am affiliate with Fires and Blue Orange Futures to give support for me. Just buy accounts using my affiliate links or codes for 5 years. If you use my affiliate link, you'll get 10% discount. I will drop that link in my description. And for BGF, Blue and Futures, if you put Dinesh as a code, DINESH, 50% discount. Okay. So that's it, guys. We'll see you next week. Bye bye. Take care.